ohmathgad.
Oh math god guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be solving a problem involving the law of cosines, but in this case we're given the value of all the sides of the triangle and we have to find the values of the angles inside that triangle. Okay guys, so let's begin. Okay, so we're going to be seeing the problem to the right. So they gave us that the values for the sides are 4, 3, and 6, but they gave us no values for the angles, right? In order to identify the case, we have, again, they gave us the three sides, so S, 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 and people usually call this case S, S, S because they give us the three sides. Okay, now remember the law of the cosines is going to be used whenever you have this case. So c to the power of 2 is equal to a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 minus the product of 2 times ab times the cosine of c. Now you have to remember that c is the angle that opposes side c. B is going to be the angle that opposes side b. And a is going to be the angle that opposes side a, right? So in this case, we know, for example, let's say that we wanted to find the value of beta, right? So we know that we know that 3, which is the side, okay, 3 to the power of 2 is going to be equal to the squares of the other two sides, so 4 squared plus 6 squared, minus 2 times 4 times 6, now yes, times the cosine of the opposite angle. So in this case, the opposite angle to 3 is going to be beta. And we just have to solve for beta. So 9 is going to be equal to 16 plus 36 minus 2 times 4 times 6, which is going to be 48 times the cosine of beta. And then we have to, isolate the cosine. So there's going to be the 16 and the 36 are going to move to the left side because they are adding. They're going to move subtracting. So 9 minus 16 minus 36 is going to be a value of minus 43 equals, and we have a value of minus 48 cosine of beta. This minus 48 is multiplying, so it's going to pass to the other side dividing the minus 43, and that is going to give us a value of 0.896, and that is going to be the value for the cosine of beta. But we do not want the cosine, we just want beta alone. So we're going to move this cosine as cosine inverse to the other side. And then we are going to be able to use our calculator to find that value. And it results that the value is going to be 26,4 degrees, right? So the value for B or beta is going to be 26,4 degrees. Okay, we have found one of the values. Let's solve another one. Let's say that we want to find the value for gamma, okay? If we want to find the value of gamma, we have to look at the opposite side of gamma, which is 6. So that's how we're going to start solving it. So again, 6 to the power of 2, right, is going to be equal to the other two sides to the power of 2. So 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 minus 2 times 4 times 3 times the cosine of the opposite angle to 6, which is in this case gamma. Okay, and then this is going to give us 36 is equal to 16 plus 9 minus, and then 2 times 4 times 3, which is going to be 24 cosine of gamma. And we're going to move these values of 16 and 9 to the left side. So we're going to get 36 minus 16 minus 9. That is going to give us a value of 11 equals to minus 24 cosine of gamma. Because we do not want that 24 is going to pass to the other side dividing, right? And that is going to give us a value of negative 0,458. And that is going to be the cosine of gamma. But again, we do not want the value of the cosine of gamma. We just want gamma alone. So this cosine is going to move to the other side as cosine inverse, right, of the value. And that is going to give us a value of 117,3 degrees. Okay, so now we know that the value of gamma is 117,3 degrees. And we're just left with one value alone, which is alpha. Now, we can do the same procedure for alpha, but since we already have two of the values, we can just subtract from 180. So we know that alpha is going to be equal to 180 degrees minus the value of the sum of the other two. So it's going to be minus 26,4 degrees minus 117,3, leaving a value of 36,3 degrees. And that is going to be the value for alpha. Now, of course, we can double check. Let me solve it real quickly for you guys to see the verification. And there you have it, guys. So if you wanted to go the large route, the long route, you can also use the law of cosines as well, and you're gonna get the same value of it as if you had subtracted. So guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!